everyone, Dave here from RV Water Filter Store. Well, this is step 2 of our 3-step process. As you remember, in step 1, you've already removed your sediment and chemicals and a bunch of the pathogens out of your water, your cysts, giardia, and cryptosporidium. So step 2 is optional. It's up for you to decide if you need this one. This one is to remove the calcium and magnesium from the water when you have hard water. And the way you do that is you use one of these things. This is the Travel Soft water softener. We also sell the On The Go. They both use the same kind of resin, same kind of process. This one has a few more features. It's a little bit bigger than the On The Go, but we sell both of them. This one has a nice feature for draining it, which the On The Go doesn't. Anyway, so the reason you need a water softener and the reason you need something else other than these filters is because a mechanical filter like the sediment filter or the carbon filter doesn't really remove totally dissolved. It'll remove virtually everything that's floating in the water, but if once it's totally dissolved, you either need a resin or you need reverse osmosis or distillation to get it out. And so this is the resin solution for hard water. You charge this resin up with sodium ions, you put salt in it, you dissolve it in there, you get all the sodium inside the resin, flush out the salt taste, and then when the calcium and magnesium comes through, unsuspectingly, it's dissolved in the water, it's just unsuspecting, going, okay, I'm good. And then all of a sudden it hits this resin and it gets yanked out of the water and put into the resin. And and then they replace it with a sodium ion. So it does add a little sodium content to the water in lieu of the calcium and magnesium. But that will get rid of the scaling and the spotting and worse yet, it could wreck your water heater because it gets on the anodes and it gets on all the elements and stuff and really makes a mess. So this is really a good solution if you're going to spend time where we all like to go in the winter time in the desert. Okay, so water softening step 2. I recommend this guy. Again, if you choose reverse osmosis, it gets everything out. But for most of you guys, I'm going to recommend filters plus a water softener for a solution. It doesn't waste water. It doesn't waste power. But now, after you've got all the sediment, chemicals, pathogens out of the water, plus all the calcium and magnesium out of the water, what's next? Well, you might want another level of purity, and that's where step 3 comes in, and that's our ultra pure premium undersink system.